Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning Unit 11. Its title is Scientists. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today under the title of Oral Communication Skill, we are going to learn different communicative functions. Before this, we have already learned how to express your emotions, your joy, sadness, anger. So, I hope you remember how to express your emotions. This is going to help us today. If you don't remember, you may watch this video lecture again, and we will learn to use appropriate body language for different communicative functions. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Mujadila, verse 7, there is in no private conversation three, but that he is the fourth of them. Nor are there five, but that he is the sixth of them, and no less than that, and no more except that he is with them in knowledge wherever they are. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us. Because this is a warning, this is an alarming message that wherever you are, whatever you are talking, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there with his knowledge and he's listening everything, right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying if there are three people talking to each other, fourth with them is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why, beta, we should be very careful. We should always use good words. And one thing more, we should be happy. Like if we are making faces, even we are not saying, even then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows we are doing something wrong. Right? So we should be very careful about our gestures, about our words, what we do, how we, even if we are staring at someone, Allah does not like it. So we should be very kind, polite, and courteous all the time. Right? So this is what we are going to learn today, that even without saying, our gestures, by our body language or by our face expressions, we say something that should also be good. All right? Okay, so first you tell me what are basic social courtesies and what do you know about body language. So whatever you know about it, better tell to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students, now my children knows about the basic social courtesies. What are they? All good manners. To say, first of all, to say Assalamu alaikum to our elders, to our youngest, to everyone. Okay, so whenever we start our conversation, we should say Assalamu alaikum. And to say please, to say excuse me, to say thank you, right? But all these manners are social courtesies, right? And what does body language mean? Body language is a range of non-verbal signals that you can use to communicate your feelings and intentions. It includes your posture, facial expression, and hand gesture. It means, beta, without saying you. Now look at this picture. But when he says this, it means don't look bad things, don't say bad things, don't hear bad things. It means without saying, just with this gesture, you communicate, you say something. This is what I was telling you. We should be careful about our gestures, how we are doing. It should also be good, appropriate, right? Okay, look at them. Now look at this picture, this one. Is he saying something? No. But by looking at this picture, can you find out how he is feeling? Yes, he is happy, he is jumping, he is smiling. So by looking at the body language, we can find out he is happy. And by looking at his body language, we can find out he is sad. So beta, this is what body language is. We should not be sad. Why to be sad? Alhamdulillah for everything. What we get, we should be happy for that. And what we don't get, we should also be happy for that. Okay, don't be upset. But you see, if you don't even say it and you say, oh, it means you are sad. We should not be sad. Okay, now look at him. Look at his face. He's laughing, and the way he is standing, it is telling us he is happy. And he is, look at his face, he's sad. Now what he's doing, so he's telling, I'm hungry, right? And I'm thirsty. Now you see, beta, this is what body language is. Okay, and our body language also tells how we are feeling, what we want to say, right? He's saying, oh, I'm tired. Maybe he wants to sleep now. So this is how our body language tells what we want to say. Now all of you open your book on page number 94. Look at these two pictures. These two girls, they are sitting and they are happy. And look at these children, they are sad. This is how we find out by looking at their body language. How are they feeling? Are you clear? Okay, so let's practice it through an activity. Teacher will tell the students some statements. Okay, teacher will tell you statements and students will perform those statements using appropriate body language. It's gonna fun. Teacher will tell you, now show me how you'll feel happy, so you have to do it through your body. And if you are hungry, what to do. This is how teacher will tell you, and every one of you gonna do at least one thing using body language. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy the activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear children, now you're done with good job. All of you did very well. Now, all of you settle down to your seats. It's time for your homework. You will practice one statement in different ways using different body language. Okay, the same statement, how you'll say it happily, how you'll say it sadly by using body language. This is your homework, and you may record it and share the video with your teacher. And here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we learned to use the appropriate body language for different communicative functions, and we achieved our SLO to use appropriate body language for different communicative function. Are we done with it? Yes, and we thoroughly enjoyed doing it. Right, so beta, that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.